Hi guys, right now it's about 9:21 and today is 30th of September 2021. Host Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a PhD in physics from IT Delhi. I'm SEBI registered research analyst. I'm founder and chief mentor at StockPro and I'm partner with Zerodha Upstocks Fires and Asta Trade. So just let me show you our website. You can come here and scan through, and there is a number given out here for any kind of information. You can go through our courses, you can go through the reviews that people have given, right? And just feel free. All right, so I'm here once again, and I'm going to be talking about the stocks, some stocks, and some research that I've done. But before that, I want you to go through this 20-second video, right? 22nd September video. And I have told that these MGL, IGL have actually, these two stocks have fallen down. And I said that they are now heading towards a support zone, right? And have a look at it today, right? You can have a look at MGL and IGL both. Particularly IGL, like we here is IGL, right? They were falling down and now the reversal has come, right? So this IGL and similarly MGL. So the information, all the information you can read from the market, from the data points, right? If you understand how to read the data, you have all the information present, right? And I was going to the same video. I have talked about Ipca laboratory, right? Have a look at Ipca laboratory. So of course the breakout, when is the breakout going to come? No one knows. It may because market cycle goes in a different way every day, right? Kabhi upar kabhi niche. Ipca also has given a breakout. So see here, this was how it was falling down and now the reversal had come. So now, what is important for us, when we are entering the market, to have a mindset कि आपको बाय साइड में जाना है कि सेल साइड में जाना है, और अगर आप बाय कुछ करना चाहते हो तो क्यों बाय करना चाहते हो, सेल करना चाहते हो तो क्यों सेल करना चाहते हो, राइट? आपके पास पूरा एक लॉजिक होना चाहिए, एक प्लान होना चाहिए, राइट? अगर आपके पास प्लान नहीं है तो मोर ऑफन देन नॉट यू विल बी चीटेड इन द मार्केट, राइट? मार्केट इज वेरी डिसेप्टिव. मार्केट जो है उसका काम ही लोगों को बेवकूफ बनाना है. आप देखो, यू हैव अ लुक एट आईजीएल, आपको पता लग जाएगा कितना बुरी तरह गिरा है, एंड देन रिवर्सल के सडनली डेटा पॉइंट्स वर टेलिंग मी a few days in advance that there will be a reversal coming up. Okay, so before I go on, let's have a look at Nifty today, right? So Nifty, as I told you, whenever there is a double top, right? Whenever there is a double top, not, I'm talking about cash, right? We should always look into cash, not the futures chart, because for us cash is the king, right? So have a look at it. This channel has been broken today convincingly, right? अगर मैं इसको थोड़ा सा और elaborate करती हूँ इस channel को, so this will become like this, right? Have a look at it. And this channel जो बहुत brilliantly, which was being defended, has actually given a breakout in the downward direction. Now एक important place जो इस stock के लिए, निफ्टी के लिए बन जाता है, इसका immediate support is here right at 11,600 पे. अगर ये 11,600 break होता है कल के दिन with volumes, I'm talking about the spot, we can definitely expect another 200-300 points, you know breakdown in the downward direction for sure, because this is actually breaking the trend line, right? And that doesn't happen. See here, अगर आप buyers को देखते हो, they've been maintaining this trend line for almost like from August till now. So August, September, 2 महीने से ये trend line maintain है, right? And finally it has been broken. So there is something, which there is some force which has broken it. It's not an easy task. So now let's come here, and also this is, I think, Bank Nifty's option chain, right? तो मुझे एक कुछ something very significant that was. So before I go on to the option chain, let's have a look at the Bank Nifty as well. And again, I'm not looking at the futures stock, futures chart. I'm looking at the Bank Nifty index. This is how it looks. and there is a very strong support, right? किस जगह पे support है बैंक निफ्टी को? 37,300 पे, right? Now we go to the option chain and I'm looking at the option chain of next week, right? Because आज का expiry हो गया, so the present today's expiry option chain will not have much data to tell us. Now what I really want you to do, right? आप भी इसको खोल सकते हैं निफ्टी पे, NSE पे जाके have a look at this data. इस डेटा को देखिए, out of the money call and out of the money put, right? This is out of the money call, right? And this is out of the money put, right? Write down in the comment, what do you see? Just speak the layman's language. I'm not asking very hi-fi language. You just write there are 4 digits here, there are five digits here. That's big enough. You know, that means simply जो भी यहाँ writing हुई है, at this place the writing is 10 times more. ये 4 digits है, ये 5 digits है. I'm speaking absolutely layman's language, right? There is no fancy words to it. एक कोई भी आदमी अगर उसको देखेगा तो सिंपल वर्ड्स में यहाँ 4 digits में ऑप्शन राइटिंग हुई है, पुट राइटिंग हुई है, और यहाँ 5 digits में हुई. That means 10 times higher put writing is call writing is happening. So which forms a bigger resistance? A part the big resistance, or B part B forms a strong support? Give me in the comment box. I need to hear from you. Every single person who's watching my video, please write in the comment box. What is stronger, the resistance built at A or the support built at B? Right? Write that down so that we all come to the same page and I understand that you are understanding it. Okay. Now, similarly, what I'll do, I'll go to the Nifty's option chain and let's see what is happening in the Nifty's option chain. So again, I'm going to go to the next week's option chain and we'll see what is happening in the Nifty's option chain. So have a look at this place, right? Have a look at this place. If I say from my side, Bank Nifty is more bearish than Nifty, for sure. But again, you know, I'm very confused. Although Bank Nifty is looking bearish, but have a look today. You know, this is the kind of very deceptive market. Federal Bank, right? You see the Federal Bank here. Then you have a look at CAN BK. Then you have a look at RBL Bank, right? Then you have a look at PNB. A lot of banking sector stocks here. Although Bank Nifty had a strong resistance, right? For example, have a look at Federal Bank, right? It was a pretty strong move. Even CAN BK, it was a pretty strong move. So what I'm trying to tell you, there is a very intense war between buyers and sellers, right? But if I just concentrate on the option chain, then I feel there's a huge resistance being built at the higher levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So again, I would like you to come to the NSE and look into the space, right? यहाँ पे देखिए आप और यहाँ पे देखिए, right? आप क्या वहां से आप आज के क्या सेंटिमेंट्स है, आपको क्या लगता है अगले वीक के लिए लोगों ने क्या एक्सपायरी लिखी है, राइट? अगर मैं देखती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि 17,200 निफ्टी में एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट बनता है और एक रेजिस्टेंस यहाँ पे बनता है 17,700 पे, राइट? सो मेरे हिसाब से ये सिचुएशन है दैट बिटवीन दीज 500 पॉइंट्स निफ्टी इज गोइंग टू रोटेट. अगर एक्सपायरी अगर सपोज निफ्टी नीचे जाती है तो 17,200 पे इसको अच्छा खासा सपोर्ट लगेगा सो फार, बट लेट्स सी बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ बिग नंबर. एंड सिमिलरली अगर निफ्टी ऊपर जाती है तो 17,700 पे इसको एक रेजिस्टेंस लगेगा. नाउ लेट्स कम बैक टू आवर space and we'll see what is happening over there. So hope you are understanding about the option chain. Now, before I go on further, I have told you to watch this video, right? I have told you to watch this video, and in fact, you should watch all my previous videos and see what kind of information I have passed on. When the stock was falling down, right? IGL and MGL, I've told now it stands on a reversal zone, right? I'm just going to read out some of your messages because it's important part. I want to have the process of two-way communication. So here is Sagnik Chakravarti. He says, ma'am, entered IEX above 615 and it was a beauty, all because of your course and price action. So thank you so much, for doing the course, because it just really make you understand a market better, right? We have done a lot of background work so that you save your time and you save your money from losing in the market. Then can you thank you so much for giving clear picture of stock market about change of emotions. Then thank you, Pawan. And then it says Deepak Sharma says we are very lucky to have you as a mentor. Thank you. I'm just going to see if somebody has asked me a question I would really like to answer. You're simply awesome. Your prediction analysis in the hotel is definitely looking good, right? Because it is from the travel agency. So here is one question I would like to answer. Please share your analysis about DCW, right? And I posted it. It got stop loss hit, but see, when I always ensure one thing, right? कि fundamentals of the company need to be strong, right? अगर stop loss hit हो गया, ऐसा कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं होती है. थोड़ा बहुत I never exit my trade. Once I do analysis, after that ले लिया तो ले लिया, उसके बाद I don't exit. अब आप लोगों में से पता नहीं कितने लोगों ने एक्रिसिल लिया होगा और एग्जिट कर लिया होगा, राइट? कितने लोगों ने किया, लेके एग्जिट कर लिया प्रॉफिट बुक करके? बताओ, मुझे लिख के कमेंट में बताओ. यहाँ पे मैंने बाय दिया था 377 पे और इट मेड अ हाई ऑफ 831. कितने दिनों में, राइट? कितने दिनों में? 21st 4th में से लेके सितंबर तक 100% रिटर्न, राइट? Then I have given you one stock called Arman Finances, right? I told you, जब मैं आपको टारगेट देती हूँ, अरमान फाइनेंसेस, ये वाला, ये स्टॉक मैंने आप लोगों को दिया था एंड आई हैव गिवन समवे हियर, यहीं पे दिया था, और इसने अपनी रेंज को ब्रेकआउट दिया है, राइट? आई एम 100% एक्सपेक्टिंग, मैंने कुछ 600 समथिंग पे दिया था, यहाँ 680 पे दिया था. 680 से इसने 1000 प्लस का तो टारगेट लगा दिया है, राइट? See, if you can find out stocks which are good in their segment, you will be able to really encash it. Like Ecrisil, I gave you so much reasoning. I gave you everything that I could give to you all. कि थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होता है, स्टॉप लॉस हिट होता है, कोई बात नहीं है. बिलीव इन द स्टॉक. अगर आपको लगता है, इफ यू ऑल नो अबाउट इट, देन what do you think when Rakesh Jhunjhunwala buys stocks? So doesn't his stop loss hit? He accumulates more at the lower levels, right? So I don't like this concept of stop loss in positional trading, right? I would accumulate more when it goes down, right? तो अब हम आ जाते हैं क्विकली. सो प्लीज, इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी पावरफुल. DCW इज लुकिंग एक्सट्रीमली पावरफुल. एंड अगर किसी ने MBAVL नहीं खरीदा है, मध्य भारत, प्लीज गो हेड. It has given a beautiful breakout. So don't get so stuck up with in stop loss, right? अच्छे stocks में lower level पे buy accumulate किया करो, right? It's very very strong, and right now it's giving a beautiful breakout, right? And I would say that my target for this particular stock is going to be hold it for a longer duration, right? Hold it for a longer duration. अभी ये 47 पे 100 का टारगेट मैं आपको इसका देती हूँ, एक साल का टारगेट, right? So don't get hassle, guys, please don't get helter skelter कि आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया. अरे क्या मुसीबत हो गई, एक थोड़ा एक्यूमुलेशन लोअर लेवल पे कर लो, राइट? और जाके अच्छे स्टॉक्स में. चलो, अब हम एक बात करेंगे जो मैंने आपके लिए स्टॉक्स निकाले हैं. अगेन 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 आई एम टेलिंग यू, you may find them strange, but that's what my research is. I've spent good amount of time and I feel there will be a breakout in those stocks. So पहले करते हैं stocks जिनमें बाइंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी है, राइट? और मुझे केवल एक स्टॉक मिला है जो कि बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ऑन अ बाय साइड, राइट? एंड वो स्टॉक है LNTFH, right? LNTFH is one stock which is looking good to me, and we will buy it above 93, right? That's one stock that I would recommend for buy. And on the sell side, I have two stocks. The first stock that I'm going to sell will be Pidilite, right? And I hope you have been watching my Asian Paints and Bata India. I have given them for a sell. Bata, I don't think so has given a breakout, but Asian Paints has given a beautiful breakout in the downward direction. So मेरा जो सेल का नेक्स्ट स्टॉक है वो है Pidilite, right? इसको हम सेल करेंगे, आप लेवल्स देख सकते हो यहीं पे, 2380 के नीचे हम इसको सेल करेंगे पिडिलाइट को, राइट? नो, 2375 के नीचे सेल करेंगे, राइट? आवर स्टॉप लॉस विल बी समवेयर हियर, थोड़ा सा डीप होगा फॉर द मोमेंट, बट इंट्राडे के लिए अगर आपको करना है तो विल पोस्ट इट ऑन द इन द लाइव मार्केट. This is one very good stock for shorting. One last stock that I'm giving you for shorting tomorrow. Oh no, shorting के लिए नहीं दे रही हूँ मैं, बाइंग के लिए दे रही हूँ. मेरा नेक्स्ट स्टॉक जो बाय के लिए है वो है सिंजीन. Syngene, right? So this is also future stock. It is now heading towards a support zone, right? तो मे बी कल आएगा सपोर्ट या मंडे को आएगा. जब भी ये सपोर्ट पे आता है और आपको एक प्राइस रिजेक्शन लोअर लेवल से मिलता है, यू कैन गो फॉर अ बाय इन सिंजीन. तो 3 स्टॉक्स मैंने आपको दिए हैं. सिंजीन फॉर अ बाय, LNTFH फॉर अ बाय and Pidilite for a sell, right? These are my 3 stocks for tomorrow specifically. अगर कल ब्रेकआउट आता है बहुत बढ़िया, नहीं तो मंडे ट्यूसडे में जब भी ब्रेकआउट आएगा. सो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड स्टॉक फॉर shorting, right, which is Pidilite. So I think this is for today, and we'll surely meet tomorrow. All the best, guys. Take care and stay tuned. Stay tuned with us at different places. This is our Telegram channel. You'll find us live and look at the kind of trades we have given, right? Look at the trades we have given. Buy HEL above this. This didn't initiate. This didn't initiate. This didn't initiate. Glenmark above 518. Astral मैंने दिया था 2180, 2127, 2227 का हाई लगाया इसने. McDowell 845 दिया था इसने, 867 का हाई लगाया. This didn't give much points, right? GPPL दिया था. A lot of people are copying our calls, right, guys? अगर आपको no name और no face वाले channels मिलते हैं, please do not take up their calls, right? People have to show their name and their face, right? Astral मैंने बाय के लिए दिया. अच्छा, ये तो मैंने आपसे डिस्कस कर लिया, राइट? सो आई थिंक गुलशन पॉली मैंने कल दिया था. अगर आप लोगों ने किसी ने कल बाय किया था गुलशन पॉली, इसने आज फर्स्ट टारगेट हमको दे दिया है, right? So I think with this I'm going to sign off. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, I'm very few SEBI registered research analysts who have got a Telegram channel, right? So please search for Stock Pro official SEBI registered and you'll be able to find me. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. And still continue taking precautions as far as the corona is concerned. It has not gone yet away. Bye bye. Take care.